Good day everyone. Let's start our lesson by recalling and describing a cone. A cone is a solid figure with one circular base and it has curved face with a vertex. Here is the net of the cone, and our lesson focuses on the surface area of a cone. Now again, surface area is the sum of all the areas of the faces of a certain solid figure, and the sum of the areas measured is the surface area of any solid figure or the cone. So we have here an example. We have find the surface area of a cone with a slant height of 8 centimeters and the radius of the base is 4 centimeters. If you're going to make the net, this is what it looks like. So we have 4 centimeters for the radius of the circle, and this is the slant height of the cone, which is 8 centimeters. Now, the formula for the surface area of a cone is pi rs plus pi r squared. This one is the area of the circle, which is pi r squared, since there is only one circle or one base of the cone, and this pi rs is the curved face or the face of the cone, and this s here stands for the slant height. The r is still the radius and pi is 3.40. You might be wondering how this formula is being derived for the pi rs, or for the curved face for the cone. Now I will put or give the link in the description part below to understand how did we come up with this pi rs for the formula of the curved face. So using the formula, we substitute the given measurement. So we start with the area of the curved face or the circle. So you can start here in the area of a circle, then the curved face, then you add it. So the area of the circle is pi r squared, which is 3.14, and the radius is 4 centimeter. You square it, which is 16 square centimeter times 3.14. We have the area of a circle is 50.24 square centimeters. And for the curved face, which is pi rs, we have 3.14 times 4 centimeters for the radius, and the slant height is 8 centimeters. So we have 32 square centimeters times 3.14. We have 100.48 square centimeters. Then we add all the areas of the faces. We have the surface area of a cone is 150.72 square centimeters. So again, the surface area for the cone is pi rs plus pi r squared. Let's have more examples here. We have find the surface area of the figure. The diameter is 2 inches and the slant height is 6 inches. So following the formula, we have pi r squared for the area of a circle plus pi rs for the area of the curved face. So let's substitute. We have the pi is 3.14 and the radius is 1 inch since it's half the diameter, which is 2 inches. So add it to 3.14 times 1 inch times 6 inches for its slant height. Then you simplify. So 1 inch times 1 inch is 1 square inch times 3.14, it's still 3.14. Then plus 18.84 square inches. Therefore, the surface area of this cone is 21.98 square inches. Next, we have the surface area of this figure. Substitute the formula, which have pi r squared plus pi rs, 3.14 times 2 meters, square it, then plus 3.14 times 2 plus 6 meters. We have 4 square centimeters times 3.14 plus 37.68 square meters. We have the surface area of this cone is 50.24 square meters. And for this figure, we still write the formula. We have the slant height is 13 meters and the radius is 5 meters. So you square the radius to get the area of the circle. So this is 25 square meters times 3.14. This is already simplified, 204.1 square meters. Then add the surface area of this cone is 282.6 square meters. Next, let's apply the surface area in this word problem. The radius of the cone's base is 10 centimeters and its slant height is 30 centimeters. What is its surface area? So it's just the same. Write the surface area or the formula, then substitute. Then you will be able to find for the surface area of a cone, which is 1,256 square centimeters. Now, it's easier for us to find surface area of any solid figure as long as you know its formula and you know the dimensions needed. Okay, so that's about the surface area of a cone. I hope that you learned something from this video.